6 years ago, I built my first alien watch. It wasn't pretty good, but I just kept building over the years. I made watches with working dials, pop-up mechanisms, and eventually managed to integrate smartwatches into my builds. But recently, I've been thinking, all of these builds were from existing cartoons I grew up watching. And now, I kinda wanna make something of my own. So, let's do it! If I'm creating an entire alien universe from scratch, then everything starts here. Okay, now it's time to sketch. At first, I wanted the device to be sleek and minimal. But the more I sketched, the more I realized that wasn't what I wanted at all. If this thing was gonna be the centerpiece of an entire alien universe, then it has to be grand. To make it feel more personal, I used the same blue, silver, and gold color palette inspired from my channel logo. After dozens of rough sketches, I finally landed on a design I was happy with. Now that we have the design, it's time to turn it into reality. I plan on 3D printing this watch, but turning a sketch into a 3D model takes a lot of skills, and I don't have that yet. Luckily, I won't have to spend weeks or months learning how to 3D model from scratch. This is where Meshy comes in handy. Meshy is a powerful platform that can turn your ideas into high-quality 3D models, all in just a few clicks. Simply upload your design and let Meshy generate the 3D model. Boom! Sheesh! To make it even better, Meshy's AI texturing tools also gives you the freedom to add real-life textures and control lighting for elite-looking models. On top of that, Meshy can automatically split a model into printable sections, making the entire printing process much easier and more efficient. Apart from objects, you can also bring life into your characters. In just a few clicks, we can transform this alien I sketched into a live character ready for action. There's absolutely more you can do with Meshy. Whether you're a 3D printing enthusiast, a CG artist, VFX creator, or a game developer, Meshy helps you make 3D assets incredibly fast and super accessible. So, what are you waiting for? Join over 10 million creators now using Meshy AI, the global leader in AI-powered 3D creation. If you have an idea you want to bring to life, Meshy is the perfect tool for you. Click the link below and get 50% off your subscription. Thank you, Meshy, for making this possible. Alright, now that we have our 3D model ready, let's send it to the slicer. Since I wanted complete control over the final colors, I decided to print everything in gray. This means I'll need to paint everything myself, which is extra work. But I will have future me deal with that problem later. For now, we need to slice the model into 2 halves and make the magnets compartment. This will make the device actually wearable. And with that, we can now hit print. Layer by layer, the parts of the watch revealed itself, and somehow they looked better than I imagined. The details came out incredibly sharp, the surfaces were just as planned, and I just can't help but be amazed at how, in less than a day, a simple drawing had completely transformed into actual physical parts. But the best part, removing the supports. I then grabbed my heat gun to seal everything. And at this point, I was really getting excited, because now it's time for my favorite part, painting. I started by covering all the pieces with a layer of gray primer. Then came the base color. This rich shade of blue would become the foundation of the entire device. The rest it'll be painted all by hand. No shortcuts here, just a brush, a steady hand, and a lot of patience. Every edge, every corner, every tiny detail has to be painted carefully. It definitely took way longer than I expected, but eventually, it finally looked less like a 3D print and more like an artifact from another world. But before I reveal the final look, there was still one detail to take care of. I need the device to stay securely attached around my wrist, and that's where magnets come in. I embedded the magnets and sealed everything together. Perfect. I still haven't figured out what to call this watch. Maybe you guys can help me out? Comment down below what we should name this contraption. Anyway, if you reached this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you will enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah, foot on the gas, yeah, I'm on the way now. Move out the way, yeah, it's about to go.